Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today I get to film one of my favorite videos of the year because what we're doing is we're highlighting our top 5 KitchenCRATE projects from 2021. Now last year we completed about 150 remodels and a significant number of those were kitchens. And while I really like the way that all of them turned out, they all have their unique nuances that make them special. These 5 projects stood out to myself and my team as some that we want to highlight as among the best of 2021. So let's just jump right in. Coming in at number 5, KitchenCRATE Sparrow Avenue in Livermore, California. Now I think you'll agree that this project turned out phenomenally. A couple things I want to highlight. So this was a 1994 kitchen, and we actually reused all the cabinets, but what we did is we refaced them using a shaker 45-degree bevel oak door. And the reason we used an oak door is because we wanted it to match the existing cabinet boxes. One of the highlights from this project is the backsplash. It's actually an Arizona tile 2x2 hex in deep blue honed. And I think you'll agree that it just looks gorgeous sitting on top of the white quartz countertops. Another element from this project that we really liked was the waterfall edge at the end of the peninsula, and also the two-tone cabinet paint. Those are two trends, the waterfall edge and two-tone cabinet paint, that you're going to see a few different times. And specifically on this project, the uppers were the Sherwin-Williams Snowbound, and the lowers were the Sherwin-Williams Sirius Gray. Coming in at number 4, KitchenCRATE Custom Mead Drive in Stockton. Now let's take a look at this project, which entailed all new custom cabinets. You can see the shape of the kitchen and the layout completely changed. It went from a peninsula to an island, and the useless dinette area is now a pantry and a really cool kind of buffet / display area with glass upper cabinets. All of the door and drawer faces on this project are shaker in style, and as you can see, which was really a trend in 2021 with the new custom cabinets, extensive drawer usage that creates easy accessibility and incredible storage capabilities for the new kitchen. The island is exceptionally useful. As you can see, the sink is now located in that island, and then seating for 3 or 4 across one end really makes it a functional space that this kitchen simply did not have before. The backsplash is a Bedrosian's glazed Chloe in a herringbone pattern. It's really a perfect substrate for this really cool hood feature to go right over the top of the cooktop. And once again, we have two-toned cabinets. The perimeter, a Sherwin-Williams pure white, and the island, a Sherwin-Williams black of night. I just love the way these colors all came together on this stunning project from Stockton, California. Coming in at number 3, KitchenCRATE Ramsgate Court in Dublin, California. Now, this is one of the few projects in 2021 that I personally had a chance to work on. Really enjoyed working with this customer and seeing the results of this project. Now, this project for this 2000 home, it was a bit of a hybrid project. And what I mean is the perimeter cabinets were all reused and refaced, once again with a modified shaker door and drawer face. But the island was brand new and really created to accommodate a somewhat narrow kitchen that needed a very functional island including seating, which led to this very unique shape of island that you'll see in the pictures here. The countertop on this project is an Arizona tile Palmieri quartz, and once again the Bedrosian's Chloe white, which was certainly the top backsplash of 2021, was used to tie all of the colors and tonality of this project together. Now the faucet on this project is a Delta Trinsic Touch in matte black, a really cool faucet, which by the way I used on my own home. And I just love once again the way the cabinet hardware, the plumbing fixtures, and the overall design of this project came together for a beautiful finish. Coming in at number 2, KitchenCRATE Custom North 4th Street in Patterson, California. Now this is a project that we recently profiled with a customer testimonial video. And one of the more surprising elements of this project is this 1950s home had never had a kitchen remodel done. So we were working with 70-plus-year-old finishes on this particular job. One of the biggest changes you'll see is the fact that the half wall that was behind the peninsula was completely removed, creating a new peninsula layout that added bar seating and a single plane upon which the customer can have a buffet set out or just use to interact with guests when they come over for an evening meal. The actual layout of this kitchen stayed fairly similar in terms of its U-shape, but everything else was new. The flooring, the new shaker-style cabinets, countertop, backsplash plumbing, lighting, a really cool hood that's recessed up in the ceiling itself to create proper ventilation over the top of the peninsula cooktop. Another thing we did on this project is we repurposed an adjacent desk area, once again original from 1950. We refinished it in a color that played really well with the remodeled area, put a new countertop on it, and these awesome reclaimed wood floating shelves. One last thing I want to point out is the new coffee bar area that was in a pretty useless little corner of the dinette area. Now this is the perfect spot to create the morning cup of coffee with fantastic storage, and once again tied all together with the same tonality and colors used in the rest of the kitchen area. All right, so the one that you've been waiting for, coming in at number 1, our top KitchenCRATE of 2021, KitchenCRATE Custom Charleston Avenue in Modesto. Now the reason that this project kind of came out on top is the fact that the kitchen literally doubled, if not more, in size. So what used to be a galley kitchen leading from the living room straight out to a door to the garage is now a wide open space, really well laid out, a beautiful built-in hood over the cooktop area, and an island with seating for 2 right in the middle, creating a statement piece that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Another thing I love about this project is the tonality of the floor. You can see with the kitchen we had what we call a white-on-white design, so very light, clean, white finishes, and then the floor kind of brings it all together, gives it a bit of a foundation with a wood look LVP that's actually the Paradigm Honolulu Bay LVP flooring. Really love the way this tied together. And another element of this project that you can't miss is the adjacent living room. We repainted this area, did new flooring, a new door to the exterior backyard area, and I just love the way this entire great room format really came together in this home from 1964. So there you go, those are our top 5 KitchenCRATEs of 2021. I am so thankful for our team here at Kitchen and Bath Crate that pulls off these beautiful remodels each and every day. And of course, so thankful for our customers that give us the chance and opportunity to work on their home. Now, if you're thinking of your own kitchen remodel in 2022 or beyond, give us a call, 888-995-7996, or log on to kbCrate.com where you can see these projects and many more profiled on our website. Thanks so much, and we wish you great success in 2022.